Hello, welcome to Cartoon Fair All-Ground Live Show. This is Nick.
This is Sarah.
Next 10 minutes, I will very glad to introduce our main star products, alcohol spray and our clean washing powder.
Yes.
And before we introduce our products, hand sanitizer is the contain is 75% alcohol and 20% of water. Also, our spring is also the content of 75% alcohol. Do you know why we sent can you hear me?
Okay.
Why we sent 75 the words in this label? Because as the reporting said, the 75% is the most in fact, to kill the germs. So it's very classic and very beautiful shape. So and this is a round shape and about how to use it. This has this pump can be spin and turn around is off, and if turn this speed the round is off. And now it's off, and I will show how to use it. It's a spring, and this can spring very cool and to do the environment disinfection.
Yes.
Disinfection. Yeah. About the spring, Sarah, do you have another question about us?
Yes. How many sizes we have?
Yeah, we design different size for different use. As you know, we can see a very cute and small size of this spring. It's a very small size. I think it's small and cute. You can, for personal use, you can carry in your package and in your bags.
Yes.
You can spring to use to spring on the screen, on the machine, on the desk.
Yes.
It is very clear and very easy to use to do the protection. So,
Yes.
Also, we send the middle size of this 280 millimeters. Little meters to use. This is small size. Also can for personal use, and also you can put in your desk on the desk on your office to make the disinfection on your desk, your office desk, and your chairs, your screens, your computer, your machine. Also another. I think many of my for me, I'm a sale in our company.
Yeah.
Many customers they like this chip, these products. They make much order about these products. Also. No. Next time we will show another size. This is about 500 grams. It's not very big or long. It's also the spring size. Before I have shown you how to use it. It's very convenient, easy to use. This size is for, I think it can also fine for home, in your home, home to use and your office to use. This content is 75% of alcohol. Actually, it's just one this kind of disinfection liquid. Right. For me, we can see a very big size. It is no, it's too heavy. You can't carry on your hands. It's also alcohol liquid. Alcohol disinfection liquid. About let me see. It's about 5 liters.
Yeah.
This is big enough, but we have designed a bigger size than this. We have another size about 10 liters and 20 liters. The biggest size we can do it to up to 25 liters.
Okay.
The big size can use to in the factory, in the school, and in the toilet. It's many use to many ways to use. Sarah, about the products, do you have some other questions to ask for the customers?
Oh yes. Can we provide private label for customers?
Okay, we can. As you say, this is our very famous brand Cleese. Now the Cleese is very popular all around the world. Okay, we can do the customers their own brand, do the OEM, ODM for them. Welcome to do this. We can do this.
What is the capacity we have?
Talk about concept. Our production line is we have about 20. The production line. I think this is most of the production line are in China. So our concept is about 3 minutes 1 day. It's very large concept in China. I think now we can say it is the biggest concept in China. 3 minutes 1 day. So you don't need to worry about the delivery time. Our delivery time of this product is 7 days. Just 1 week. Just 1 week you pay the money, and 1 week you can get your alcohol spring. It's very quick and in short time. So this is our ability, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, our grand ability.
What about the MOQ?
MOQ, this MOQ is the same as the hand sanitizer. It's 1 container. Just 1 container, you can make the order of this product.
What about the certificates we have?
Certificate, yeah, for different market like USA, Europe, like Africa, we should follow their local laws. So we have a single apartment to do these things to the certificate. And next time I will show you some of this certificate. Sarah, can you help me?
Yeah.
Yeah, to show to our customers. Yeah, this is the CE certificate, especially for the Europe market, right?
Yes.
Yeah. It's a CE certificate. With this certificate, we can import our products to Europe countries like England and France. Okay, next certificate is our FDA. FDA certificate is especially used for US market, right?
American
Yeah.
market.
Yeah. With this certificate, we can freely import the products to America. Also, for the Canada, we also have the certificate. Okay, certificate of NPN. Okay, next certificate is our SDS certificate. This certificate is not for the clearance, not for local market. It's especially for the products. Our products. You can say the contents. You can say the testing reports and some other more details about our products, yeah, in this certificate. So it's a very professional certificate for the customers. Yeah, we are doing these things. So don't worry about our certificate. Yeah, we are very professional. Okay, we are talking too much about our alcohol spring. It's very clear and very safety, yeah, we can see that to use and very convenient to use. Also, next in front of me in our lemon, orange colors is our Cleese washing powder. Okay, Sarah, can you help me to show the products to our clients? Yeah, this is our bags type washing powder, Cleese washing powder, and in the outer bag is. This size is just about 250 grams, a very small size. I think you can carry in your bag.
Yeah.
Very convenient. You can carry. You can travel around. You can carry in your bag, in your box to washing your clothes. And also we have the size. About this size is 500 grams. Also very small and very easy to carry. And this size is 800 grams. Also we have the size about this size, a little bit heavy, 1 kilograms. Our size is very too much, range from 30 grams, 50 grams, as you say, 200 grams, 1 kilograms. Oh, okay. We have a big size, about 10 kilograms, 20 kilograms. So for different useful, use.
Yes. How many perfume we have?
For perfume, as you can see, this orange perfume, this is the perfume of lemon.
Yes.
This is, I think, now for the Africa market, for the Southeast market, this is the most popular perfume for them. Lemon is make after washing your clothes will smells very clear. It's fresh. It's a fresh of smell, so it's very popular. Okay, if these customers have different requirements about the perfume, we can meet it. We can require their requirements. We have another perfume like lavender, like some other flowers, some fruit. We have a professional design team and a professional market team. We can require meet the requirements. Okay.
What about the capacity?
Capacity is very large, big. It's about 100,000 tons 1 year. We import to over 200 countries, so we should have this concept to meet so many orders. Every year we to Southeast Asian, to Africa, to South America, to Europe. This clean washing powder is very popular all around the world.
Yes. What about the MOQ?
MOQ is one container. I said too much about MOQ is one container. And also, more details about this product. Do you know what's the color about the powder and your common sense about powder? Yeah, it's white. Yes, the powder is white, and we also add some blue space in our powder to make people to clean our clothes more clean. So if client customers like blue powder, and we can do the blue powders for them. Yes, we are a factory. We are a professional factory to do this production. So don't need to worry about our ability to do these things. To welcome to make the order about these two products, our alcohol spray and our clean washing powder. And why not to choose us? We are professional. We in the Africa we said about 50 person sales team in the local to make our customers to do the marketing to sell these things. Mainly about this washing powder, mosquito coils, and alcohol spray, hand sanitizer, alcohol hand sanitizer. So we are doing these things. We are a professional company, professional team. So why not choose us?
Yes.
So we talking too much, but the time is limited, right? So if you want to know more details about our products we grant, please welcome to visit our website www.allgrant.com. Also, you can call our hotline. Next time we will introduce not problems. Please take time, short time to see a video. Thank you.